Heavy rains have inundated several parts of India, leading to flood-like situation in most southern states, including Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in the last few days. The continuous rain has broken all the previous records in October and November. That is, all the areas or regions that were previously receiving 6 mm, which is millimeter rain, are now receiving about 115 millimeter rain, thereby causing huge damage to not just lives but also livelihoods. The rains and floods have damaged a lot of houses and lakhs of acres of agriculture and horticulture crops, thereby causing huge losses to the farmers and their livelihood as well. Now, to help farmers in such a scenario, the government has a scheme called Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. As the name suggests, the scheme is a crop insurance scheme. It was launched by the central government in 2016. Now, replacing all the other existing crop insurances in the country, this replacement or this scheme is the best given by the government. It provides relief to a wide variety of crops. Under the scheme, you get insurance coverage right from the beginning, that is right from pre-sowing stage until the harvest stage. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched with the primary objective to assist the farmers in protecting their crops. So the prime objective of this scheme includes ensuring insurance coverage and assisting or financially assisting farmers against loss, damage to their crops, maybe in event of natural calamities, pests and diseases. The other objectives also includes ensuring the stability in the income of the farmers, to encourage farmers to adopt the innovative and agricultural methods of farming, and lastly to protect farmers from production risks. Now, to talk to you about the major features of this scheme is that this scheme involves premium payments by the farmers in favor of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, which means that in case of kharif crops, then only 2% of the assured premium will be paid by the farmers. On the other hand, in case of a rabi crop, then only 1.5% of the assured amount will be incurred by the farmers. Also, in case of annual commercial and horticulture crops, in such a case, 5% of the insured amount will have to be borne by the farmers. So, in case your crops is being damaged by, say, natural calamities, pests and diseases, then you will have to report to it to the government. Remind you that you can report to the government only within 72 hours of your crops being damaged. You can, to do this, you can simply call up the toll-free number given to the respective areas. On the other hand, you can report this by visiting the official website of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Now, to apply for the scheme, which is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, you can simply visit any of the nearest common service centers and you give them or submit the required documents. Upon doing that, so if you are a farmer who has not yet applied for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, then you can simply do it by visiting any of the nearest common service center and furnish the required documents. Upon doing that, after the procedure has been completed, then you can simply claim the crop insurance. On the other hand, you can also choose to do or apply for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana online by visiting the official website of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So now let me practically show you as to how you can apply for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. On the other hand, if you already have a scheme, if you have already applied for the scheme, then let me also tell you what are the next steps. That is, if you have any grievances, what is the next step you can follow. Now, you can claim insurance for your crop loss by visiting the official website of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So let us first go to Google and type Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Then go to the first link which reads Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana Crop Insurance. As in how you click, you will get multiple options. Then go to the third one if you want to report the damage to your crop. As in how you click, there is a multiple numbers. To your extreme left, you will see the insurance company names. There are the list of companies who will provide insurance against the loss of your crops. Also, there are numbers. These are toll-free numbers on the second row. You can call to these numbers and report your crop loss. In the next row, there is headquarter email. You can also email them, or you can visit their branches, which is in the last row, which is headquarter address. So if your insurance company is agriculture insurance company, then you can call them on this toll-free number, or you can email them, or you can also visit their branch. and report about your crop loss so that you get the insurance for your crops. To know the state specific insurance company, click on the second column, which is crop insurance premium calculator. By clicking on this, you will know exactly. So let's put in the information here. Season, let's put it as Kharif, year 2021. Scheme is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. State, whichever state you are residing in, you have to put that. Then district, whatever district you are residing in, or your crop you have there. And lastly, you will also have to put you have to give the details of how much of acres or hectares of land you own. Let's assume there's 10, and then let us calculate how much of premium you will have to pay and how much the government will have to pay. So as in how you click, your insurance company for that area is HDFC Ergo General Insurance Limited. The total insured sum that you will get per hectare is rupees 59,400, and on that 2% share you will have to give from your own pocket. The crop is paddies and the hectare is 10. The premium paid by the farmer, that is you will have to pay the premium, is 10,692, and the premium paid by the government is 21,978. And the sum insured, that is the sum that you will get for your against your crop loss, is 5,94,000. This is how you can accurately calculate as to how much of insurance you will get against the crop loss by the government or the company. Next, let us look at if you are a farmer who has not yet applied for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, then you can click on the first box which says apply for crop insurance by yourself. You can do this online. I'm just doing it for guest farmer. You can do a login for farmers. So as in how you click, this is the register for new farmer user. To filling up this form and continuing with the procedure, you can easily fill and apply for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So do make sure that you apply under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and save yourself and the crops from all the damages that is being caused by either natural calamities or pests or even diseases. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.